Hello all. Now I'm going to show you how to bind the LDAP from LDAP browser to check the user account details or group details or group membership or any attribute values for particular belongs to the particular user in the Active Directory. Now, these are the teams which are involving when we are enabling the SSO for the particular application. Not only enabling the SSO, configure the authentication mechanism against the Active Directory. So basically, the users who are using the application, they will report that like I'm able to log in, but I don't have access to the application. It is giving the authorization failure, or I don't see some tabs or something. So then they will report to the either owner of the application or administrator of the application. Now I am going to show the how to configure the LDAP browser to bind the Active Directory to check their themselves the user details and group details. It is mainly useful for the application administrators so that they can go and check and they will proceed further either like if that user need the access but he's not part of the particular group or he's that title or some attribute values the different, then he will go and open a ticket with or he'll contact to the Active Directory team or to update that details or add that user to the particular group. Or this is where there are multiple browsers in the market, like software LDAP browser, which is very is a user friendly one, and Apache Directory Studio, that is also good, but it is not that much user friendly, but it is also good LDAP browser. And J Explorer, that is Java LDAP browser, and there are some LDAP APIs also. So so um, now in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the LDAP browser, software LDAP browser, how to install and configure the LDAP software LDAP browser binding to the your Active Directory. Okay, let's go now. So let me go to just you can go here. So once you go here, you can see LDAP administrator and LDAP browser. So initially I installed the LDAP administrator, and now 1 month is gone. That's where when I open the LDAP administrator, it is asking, see here, the license key required to proceed because LDAP administrator I used. So now I'm going to install the LDAP browser now, and I will show you how to connect it. Because okay, let me go and LDAP browser here, and I'm going to use I'm on Windows laptop, and Windows 11. It is a 64-bit, and I'm going to download this. And okay, now it is downloaded. So let me go and install it, and I'll show you. So just you can double click on it, right? So just you can use the default options and click next and accept the license agreement. Just you can complete it. So LDA browser. Okay. Okay, it is finished. So let me open the LDAP browser now. And this is the one I opened it. And these are the default values that I can, you can ignore that. And you can go and configure the, LDAP browser now. Now, because this is on my personal laptop, I don't have any company Active Directory or something. So I have my personal PingDirectory instance. So I'm PingDirectory LDAP. So I'm going to configure that now. So let me go and just you can right click and go to the new profile, just you can LDAP PingDirectory. Okay. Oh, what is this? PingDirectory. And just you can click here next, and here you need to give the host name. For example, if you are Cisco employee, and you can just use the company domain cisco.com, right? And if you are in something uh, any other company, right? PwC. And if their domain is PwC, Active Directory, just you can use the PwC. Oracle, you can use the oracle.com or whatever. Or if they are using if you want to connect to their non-prod LDAP directory, you can go ahead and use the non-prod server name here or host name or domain. Just you can use that, and you can use a, a port number. By default, 389 is the read-only port, and 636 is the read write port. So by default, those are the ports. Just you can go and use 389. And now I'm going to connect to the my ping directory, where I'm using here gmoney iPhone. Yeah. So let me go and use the, let me connect to my this one local directory, gmoney iPhone pd.local.com, right? And here base dn is equal to I think it is y this is equal to, it's called gmoney.com. Okay, let me just go ahead and okay, so now let me connect here. So here, if you are using the LDAP, I mean your company laptop, just you can go and use currently logged in user, and you can use that just you can click next. It will automatically bind with that user ID, whatever user you use to log into your laptop. It will connect to the you will connect to the LDAP with that user, and you are good to go. But for example, if you want, because your laptop is connected to the your production active directory, right? Your laptop is joined to the production active directory, and if you want to connect to the non-prod test active directory, then you need to
Give the host name here.
so if it is production one, just you can give the domain, that domain, and you can proceed, right? Base DN, whatever base DN you have, just you can give it, like for example cisco.com, that is dc is equal to cisco, dc is equal to com, right? Like that. Just you can click next, and here, for example, if you are connecting to the non-prod LDAP server, in that scenario, just you can go and use your credentials. If you have the user ID, or if you know the user ID which is there in the that LDAP server, that is a non-prod LDAP server, just you can use that value. So here you can they're asking principal, right? So they're asking full DN, right? So now I'm going to use my user DN. So for example, it is there this is my user DN. When I install the ping directory, I use this is my user DN, and now you can go and enter the password of the user DN, and you can proceed. Yes. Okay. So I'm connected to LDAP. So now I will go and search the user, right? Just you can click, just you can click here, and right click, directory search, or you can search from here also, right? So here, just you can select this one, and you can go here, you can search from here, that is user 0, right? User.0. See, this is the user, right? And you can search another one also. What is that? Let me go here, and user 2, user.2, right? So where I'm searching, so I'm searching inside the user, but you need to select here, then you can search from there. You can see here user 2. Again, you need to go here, and user 5. You can get the all the users, basically you can search from here. right? And you can get like, what attributes you want, or you can go here, right click and go to directory search. Just you can give the filter here. UID is equal to user dot zero, right? And you will get the user here. And if you want attributes, like what are the attributes you want, right? So SN, that is the last name, and a given name, and mail, right? Just you can click it. You will get everything here. See here, first name and everything, you'll get it. So this way you can find the all the users. And if you want to check the groups usually like group name it common name. I think I don't have any groups, I think. So yeah, I don't have any groups. This is the OAuth client IDs, and this is the some application. This is the like PF admin generic ID we are using here to connect from Ping Federate. So and this is the admin user. Okay. So this is the way like you can connect to the LDAP server and you can search the all the attributes. Just you can use the CN is equal to something and you will get the all the attributes, all the attributes of the for particular user, right? If you can directly double click it, you will get it, because here only 100 users. So once you connect it, just you can open that OU and you can click that. Here when you click like this directory, this tree, it will show only that such limit number of users only, number of accounts only. For example, if that OU, that is a OU is equal to users, right? Under that you have millions of users, like 1 lakh users are there, right? Once you connected here, just you can, if you can open that, you can see it will load only as per the search limit set at the LDAP server side. Okay, this is the way you can connect it, and you can use like other like Apache Directory Studio also you can use it. But this is like pretty simple, and I'm using this one for since long, and I think this will help for you guys to check the users and members, all this stuff. Okay, thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.